Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, if you have some doubts or confusions, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Virgos. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. Sorry guys, we have Ace of Spheres, the Burning Tower and Four of Suns. So with these cards, Virgos, in your situation today, you are someone who has seen great changes in your life today, guys. And today there are major changes, some kind of transformation happening in your life today. These changes are inevitable and it may look like something really bad, stressing you a lot, worrying you a lot. But these sudden changes are necessary. They are clearing the path for something new coming in your life today, guys. So these inevitable changes, some drastic changes are taking you by surprise, simply making you worry today. You don't know what will be the outcome. You have a very unclear future in your mind right now. But you need to understand that these changes are necessary to make way for something new coming in, and that may be a great positive change coming in your life today, guys. Virgos. And I also see that you are getting some kind of an opportunity in your life today. It may be in your career or it may be in your relationship. Good fortune is working for you guys and you are going to see great success and prosperity, and you are simply going to enjoy that you have made this choice. Maybe some choices you made are going to give you that lucrative returns today, guys, or it may be relating to your personal life. Maybe you have made that choice with this person and you have true love and a beautiful understanding with them. That may be the reason for happiness you are seeing today in your life today, Virgos. And in your career and personal life, guys, you have happiness. Maybe there are some changes, but you have happiness, that sense of contentment and gratitude in your heart. And for some of you, there are some kind of collaborations reaching you or partnerships, or it may be in this relationship you are getting committed, maybe getting engaged or getting married to this person. So some positive changes are what I see here, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Temperance in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship today, maybe for some of you, your impatience, maybe we saw some changes happening in your life today. There may be something stressful, some arguments or fights going on between you both. And you need to be patient today because these arguments are bringing out that true love you have between each other. And you will have that understanding, but you need to be patient, guys. If you are patient enough, this person is going to understand you and things are going to go in a very positive way in your relationship, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 5 of spheres. So you are someone who is working in a very determined way to move towards success and prosperity in your life, and you are very honest and trustworthy, reliable persons and a dedicated one. That may be the reason success is also reaching you guys, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card. For those who chose this card, let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today, there are things that are beyond our control, circumstances are beyond our control, something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us, they are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind, they do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon everything you did, all the good things that you did is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that, and when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them. Maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate. And though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you, your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self, everything goes through great changes each and every moment. And world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are, what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.